Wait, what's going on? Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry, what's going on?
I've been fighting this thing for like a half hour now. I got it.
Jesus.
Yo, get the tongs. Get the tongs.
The tongue.
Hurry up. No, I said the knife, not the
The knife.
Get away. No, not the knife. I need a net.
Jesus Christ. Oh God. I got the knife for you.
No. No.
What happened?
No.
Oh, did the line just break? Are you okay, Uncle Larry?
I'm gonna have to wait till next year. You get one chance at that. That's all you get.
Uncle Larry, I'm sorry.
Sorry, it's not your fault.
Jesus. Oh my God. That was crazy. Poor Uncle Larry. Oh my God. I think that's everything. Guys, packing up. Last day. Loading up the truck and then heading back home to Miss Pupper. Guys, there were so many memories with this place. Wait a minute, I thought I was going to put a montage. Ah, crap. I guess Jeffrey got lazy and decided not to do like a memorable montage on that. Jesus, Jeff, come on. Edit with a little bit of effort here. Wow, still nothing. I thought for sure that we were going to get a... So yeah, guys, just loading up the truck. Got little brother right here. Just say something for the camera.
You're not the one who spent the last fucking week cooped up in here, all right?
Wow, that was great. I got the remainder of my groceries. Got some nice Garnier fruit teas, conditioner, some protein. Got some all this other stuff. I got my bag back, yada yada. And Jeff, that's your bag. So loading up the truck now. Waking up at 6 a.m. and then we're out. Real note though, Uncle Larry's been like super depressed. He really thought he was gonna catch the beast of the sound, and unfortunately for him, he didn't. Really unfortunate for everybody, because God knows what kind of mood he's gonna be in for the rest of the year and the next year. You know, I never really know where I'm going when I'm just like vlogging in my room by myself. Like I'm like staring at myself to make eye contact with something. Man, I'm such a noob. I think that's everything. Good morning, guys. It's like 5 a.m.-ish. It's time to leave. One last time, any door. 1, 2. And here comes the condensation. Did you just hear up early?
Are you filming this, man? Come on.
Nice. One last time. Alright, that's enough. Oh my God, there's Aunt Jackie's ham shop. Mom, is that where she got the 4 pounds of ham this week?
Thank you.
Yes, and we have the 2 pounds in the back of our truck.
Oh.
In the back of our truck.
Hauling ham. Oh my God, guys, we're finally back. We're finally back.
Yep.
It only took forever.
We made good time. It wasn't as traffic.
No place like home.
Can't pick up Pupper for another 2 hours from the puppy prison.
She's a jet bug.
She's in Gen Pup. Oh my God.
Legs.
Are you able to walk?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, since we can't pick up the pups for another couple hours, gonna help my dad mow lawns. Oh yeah, a little tuft. Probably should have the dogs pee on that. Boom time. Boom time. We gotta drop this crap off Uncle Larry's first. Whoa! The heck was that? Yo, Jess, go mow. Is that okay?
Not go in here, please.
All right, man. You enjoy. Bye-bye. Oh my God. This town got ravaged.
Get us over while we're gone.
Only bad things happen when we
No leaves in the pool.
Are they pulling in right now?
Yep.
Oh my God. Yeah, guys. Since Uncle Larry doesn't have a truck no more, since like, what was it, 2016?
Basically it.
Yeah, Uncle Larry destroyed a pool. I don't know if you guys heard about that. It was at the Ridgway residence. But yeah, he drove through the pool with his truck. Hasn't had a truck since. So,
Yeah, thanks, Larry.
yeah. So, using our truck, we carry his stuff.
All his fishing supplies.
It's a pretty convenient deal. Oh, I can't do this.
That one on the
one-handed.
end doesn't go. That is ours.
Well, this black PSC&G bag?
Yep.
I realize some of this stuff smells like fish.
Yeah.
Whew. There you have it, guys. There's Uncle Larry's whole shed contents.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, hey.
Hey,
Didn't know you were here.
I was peeing. You were peeing? That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And there it is.
That's the end of the trip.
It's all over.
Next, we just scheduled for the next one.
That's right.
All right, we're good. See you. I see.
Okay, bye. Oh. What do you want me to do? Weed whack?
Yeah, we whack if you would, please.
Okay. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually gonna do this with a camera. That'd be crazy. Ha! I win. Jeff's done first, not other Jeff. All right, on to the next one. Let's go.
Woohoo! So close, don't even have to put our seatbelts on.
Oh, we're doing this one?
Yep.
Oh. Okay.
Knock this out and the other big one up the street. And then go get the pups.
All right. Oh man. So whoever usually gets done first gets the leaf blower. As you guys can tell, I lost this round. My legs are grassy. Oh wow. Oh, I got some blood. Oh man. Little Jeffrey wins again. That's 2-1, Jeff against Jeff. But guys, check this out. I actually found like somebody's like Subaru car key just like kind of like chilling here. No idea. I guess I'll just leave it in their mailbox. Along with this bottle of Patron cork. What the heck? All right, no lines. Sweet.
At Puppy Mill.
All right. Guys, this is actually not a puppy mill. This is a very nice resort that we send them to. They have a 3-dog suite. So
They're in Gen Pop now, though.
let's see Kate's reaction. Gosh, she's gonna be so upset.
She probably don't even know yet.
She's probably gonna pee herself and get mad at me. Papa! Oh my God, let's get this. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
You ready to go home? Get in. Get in.
Go ahead. Excuse me. Oh, Papa. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Ben, how's you been? Oh my God. Oh my God. I know. I'm in your seat. I'm in your seat. I saw him. I saw. Oh, look out. Hey. Hey there. Hey there. Okay. I know it's good to sit. No, you can't drive. Oh, there it is. There it is. Jesus. I know. I'm in your seat. I'm sorry.
No showing, no shot.
Hey there.
Oh my God. Aww.
God, they're crazy. Okay. Alright, you guys are finally in
Put
sync.
safety
There we
glasses
go.
Touch the gears of the steering wheel. We're good, puppies.
Okay, okay,
We're getting close, puppies.
okay.
Oh God, puppies.
Let's all calm down.
Yep.
Let's all calm down.
Brian Moore, a lot better than me.
Oh my God. They're crazy. Time to poop. Got poop there too. Well, Kate is. Wow. That's all it took. It was absolute chaos. Yep. Hey! Hey! Cat poop eater! Get out of there! Oh, she's in your poo. That's a good girl. Do you see this? That thing is like waist high. Unlike Aunt Jackie. It's just so, oh my God, I'm gonna have to mow this tomorrow. Crap, that is unreal. That is unreal. There's probably like a bazillion snakes in there. Like those black racer snakes with the white stripes on them. Oh my God. We're probably getting ticks right now. Just, oh my God. Can't imagine how much mail we have. I didn't put a hold on it. Go ahead. Wow, it's hot. Jesus, guys, look at this. Fat stack of freaking mail. Auto, insurance, mortgage payment, turn off notice. Oh, that. Runs off to go like do like, oh jeez, I'm dropping this crap everywhere. All of his crap basically. Jesus. My brother runs off like to go hang out across country doing whatever God knows like bull crap road trip plans he's got. Meanwhile, we're getting all these bills and everything. Apparently he didn't have auto pay set up. And what the hell is this thing? A Tesla wall connector? I'm not doing. Door over there. I don't know when he's getting that replaced. Jesus. This is ridiculous, Popper. This is freaking ridiculous. Gets a wall connector for his Tesla but doesn't pay the bills. Freaking utilities. God.